Okay, this came in today. I'll give you guys a couple seconds. You can freeze frame this if you want to check out all the part number and description and everything. But as you can see, this is a Borla exhaust. This is a catback system. I've already removed some of the dunnage and some of the components already. Being a catback system, this is a single in. The cat's on this side. The S-type Borla muffler and a dual out right there. And I got the version that goes dual out of the back of the bumper. And here's a quick look of what the tailpipe's going to look like. All that good stuff. So you can get this as a option from your dealership, from your GM dealership. I did not. There are a couple pros and cons with that. Two pros where I was able to get the muffler type that I want. In this case, I got the S-type muffler. I believe the GM part comes with the touring muffler, although I couldn't confirm that. But there's an S-type, a touring, and an attack. So I was able to choose the muffler that I wanted. I was also able to save a couple $100 by getting this on my own through another Borla vendor as opposed to the dealership. On the con side, and I'll show the tip again, is I don't get the Chevy logo. I get the Borla logo stamped on here. Same tip, same quality, just a different stamp on there. I went with the Borla exhaust because it's a quality system. You know, there's a lot of good reviews on them online. They seem to sound really good from the other videos I've heard. As well as it's all stainless steel, so you spend a few more dollars for them, but it should last the life of the truck.